Let me show some of you another technique how to factor these trinomials. We're going to use our graphing calculator. We'll set up two sets of parentheses. I'm going to split that x squared up into an x here and an x here. I'm going to go to my graphing calculator and I'm going to type in the problem x squared plus 3x minus 18, and I'm going to look at the graph. Now where the graph is crossing your x-axis are what we call solutions, or zeros, or roots. All mean the same thing, roots. This is positive 3 right here, and this is negative 6 over here. In order to get an answer of negative 6, you would have to have a factor of x plus 6. Opposite. To get an answer of positive 3, we would have a factor of x minus 3. Problem number 11. Set up two sets of parentheses. Split your 3x squared into a 3x and an x. Go back to my graphing calculator. Y is equal. Let me clear that. Here we have a nice solution. It's negative 6 also. And here we have a fractional solution right there. The negative 6 is going to help me out with this factor right here. That'll be x plus 6. Now, in order to figure out this other number, here's what you need to know. You need to remember that these two will FOIL together to be this 3x squared. And 3x and x do. This 6 and the number that's missing right here will FOIL together, multiply together to give me this negative 24. 6 goes into negative 24, negative 4 times. Let's do a couple more. Two sets of parentheses. I'm going to split my 2x squared into a 2x here and an x here. Go to my graphing calculator. Here we have a nice solution. Here we have a fraction solution. That's probably 1.5 right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is positive 8 right here. Positive 8 is going to help me out with this second factor. To get a positive 8, you would need to have a negative 8 as a factor. Negative 8 and some number here multiplied to be this positive 24. That number will need to be a negative 3. Split your 5x squared into 5x here and x here. This is probably some kind of a solution that has a 5 on the bottom. Negative 1/5, negative 2/5. I can't predict that. But over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Positive 7 is that solution. That's going to help me out with this factor here. Positive 7 means I had to have x minus 7 as the factor. Negative 7, something. Negative 21, that something must be a positive 3. Hey, I hope that helped. Have a nice day.